Assalamualaikum, and we are students from German Malaysian Institute, and we are participating in this IICE competition. So in this competition we will present a machine that is called an cloud integration in autonomous plastic bottle recycle and injection system.
Today, plastics are one of the most common things seen in our everyday life. So due to the low cost, durability, slow degradation, ease of manufacture, versatility, and imperviousness to water, plastics are used in a multitude of products of different scale, ranging from the paper clips to spacecraft.
This is a working video made by King Machine Company, showing how to set up a water factory. It also shows you how to produce bottled water from A to Z.
Unfortunately, the plastic is very detrimental to the ecosystem and upset the food chain and also destroying the ecosystem.
Plastic problem has created one of the biggest environmental threats to our planet.
They can only be used once. Then they are thrown in the bin or they end up as litter in parks and even in the sea.
Such amounts of plastic waste have a devastating effect on marine life. Plastic waste is estimated to kill 100,000 marine animals and 1 million seabirds a year.
Plastic recycling is also an expensive and time-consuming process. This has hampered to the effort to the process, use plastics, even causing some nations to dump their waste onto ours.
Plastic waste can take decades or centuries to fully decompose, but it more quickly breaks down into microplastics. These are tiny pieces of plastic less than 5 millimeters in length, according to the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. These microplastics are now found in every part of the food chain, from salt to drinking water.
To solve this upcoming worldwide problem, our idea is to create this machine so that it would shred used plastic, melt them, and then mold those very plastic into something new. So this plastic would be molded into a souvenir or merchandise product, for example a keychain, fridge magnet, and something more that could beautify your household. So, all of you have seen a glimpse of our machine, the plastic injection machine. So, all of you may be questioned, what does this machine do? How this machine works? And how does this machine processes all of the sequence here? So let me and my team explain it further. So all of you may be asking what type of plastic is suitable for this machine. So there is a lot of plastic that can be used in this machine for plastic injection system. But for our team, we researched a lot of plastics, but polystyrene chloride is the best one. For example, a detergent bottle. So here's an example of shredded detergent bottles, as you can see here. So why do we choose a detergent bottle type of plastic? It is because the temperature of the plastic is very suitable and not too high and not too low, around 160 and 270 degrees Celsius. So it's gonna be fast to heat up and very fast to cool down also. So this is an example of the bottle I cut. So let's see it shreds. Hey. Don't put your hand in there, dangerous. So you can start it. So after the shredding process, the plastic shredded small bits will go into the output box, and then there will be a pneumatic mechanism that will push the plastic shredded small bits into the heating area. That there will be a hydraulic mechanism. So after all the shredded plastic bits go into the heating area, there will be the heating process where the plastic bits will meet its melting point around 160 to 170 degrees Celsius. So we have to wait 5 minutes for the plastic to melt. So see you in 5 minutes. Record. Oh, sorry. So after waiting 5 minutes, now the hydraulic mechanism comes up. This here, right, this right. See? Okay. Alright. So after 5 minutes, the hydraulic cylinder will push the melted plastics into the custom die. But our custom die has a GMI logo. Love GMI. And now we wait for the hydraulic cylinder to push into the custom die and wait for it to cool down. Okay?
A few moments later.
So after waiting for it to cool down, now let's cut it to see the result of our machine. So okay. So we wait for a while. Wow. So this is the result of our machine. As you can see, there's a GMI logo right here. GMI, go to GMI. So our custom die is like this. You can change it to whatever you want, but of course we make this machine GMI, so German Malaysian Institute logo. So there it is, a result. for this amazing machine, for this little piece. So let's recycle plastic bottle into many things that can save our planet.